ThriveCart to sell my products online, and what I want is I want to automatically store my customer data in my CRM. And do you think I'm going to do this manually? No, I have simply automated this process. What I've done is I've created a connection between ThriveCart and Zoho CRM, and first I'm just going to show you how this automation will run. So as you can see, I have only 2 contacts in my Zoho CRM right now, but now I'm just going to purchase this product as demo user. So I'm just going to enter all of my details and purchase this product as demo user by clicking on this complete order button. Once I am going to purchase this product as demo user, automatically the new customer details will be added in my Zoho CRM. I've successfully purchased this product, so now let's just refresh this contact list, and you're going to see from 2 contacts now we have 3, and the new details are added right over here in my Zoho CRM. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's learn how to automatically save ThriveCart customers to CRM. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free, and over here it also means that you can simply add up to 100 of customers for free in Zoho CRM. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount just for you over here. Over here, as you can see, we have attached the discount coupon code, which is just for you. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for ThriveCart. Once you click on this add trigger button, you have to search for ThriveCart over here. So let me just search for ThriveCart, and we have to select the same right over here as a trigger application. For the event, we have to select it as product purchase. So if you want to create this automation for all the products, you can select product purchase all products. Otherwise, if you want to create this automation for some specific products, you have to choose product purchase and then click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and is asking for the token. So to get this token, just go on this API and webhooks right over here. The hyperlink is given in the description, and over here you're going to notice that first of all you have to make sure that you have logged in your ThriveCart account. Otherwise, Pabbly is not directly going to redirect you. First of all, it is going to ask you to log in, and then only you are going to see this page. But once you see this page, you have to go on this API keys and then go on this view settings. Now you can create up to 5 API keys. I've already created 5 API keys. So I'm just going to revoke 1 key, and I'm just going to create a new key. Just have to click on this create API key button and name your key. I'm just going to name this key as to CRM over here, and then click on this create API key button. Oh, where's my key? So I'm just going to copy the key and paste it right over here in my workflow. After we paste the key, we have to click on the save, and our ThriveCart account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After building this connection successfully, we are good to go. We have to choose the product right over here. So as you can see, I have multiple products, but I just want to create this automation for 2 products, which is basic of PHP and advanced PHP. If you want to create this automation for more products, you can choose it right over here. I'm just going to choose my 2 products and move in further. Now for the product status, my are in test mode because this is just a test example, that's why. If you want, you can select live mode too right over here. Select if the product is under the test mode or live mode. If you change the status of the product from test to live, make sure to click on save and send test request button and then recapture the webhook response again. Okay, so now let's just click on the save and send test request button right over here, and now it is asking me waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to purchase a product from ThriveCart. Okay, so as you know that that my products are in test mode, so I can purchase it right over here. I'm just going to purchase the product as new user, so I'm just going to enter all of my details, move on further and purchase the product as new user. I am just going to enter all of my details and click on this complete order right over here, and you're going to see I have successfully purchased this product as new user. It is saying completing your order and then payment successful. Alright, so now let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here because we have successfully purchased this product. Once Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same, I'm just going to add the details in my CRM. As you can see, Pabbly has successfully captured the response of the same customer. Now I'm just going to add the customer details in my CRM. For that, I'm just going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Zoho CRM and select Zoho CRM right over here. You can choose any another CRM of your choice. For the event, I'm just going to click on this create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now you have to enter your domain. Your domain can be anything from below. Okay, so for me, the domain is zoho.in. How can you get the domain? Just open your Zoho CRM account, and over here in the URL you're going to find the domain. And now as you can see, my domain is zoho.in, so I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here and then click on this save. You have to make sure that a Zoho account is logged in before starting with the automation. Now Pabbly is going to ask me for some permissions, so I'm just going to click on this accept, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because my data is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. Now I'm just going to simply select the lead source. I'm just going to keep the lead source right over here as online store. You can choose any another of your choice too. Now it is asking me for the details like first name, last name and email. So as you can see, only last name and email are required because this has the star in front of it. Apart from that, I can fill in the details if I want, otherwise I can leave it as blank too. But over here the main hack is that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is the method of Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here which I have of my customer. If you don't have all the details, you have to make sure to map the last name and the phone number, and then you are good to go. And now let's just move on further. It is asking me for many other details, but all of these are not required, so I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response. It says success. We have successfully created the contact. So let's just open our Zoho CRM and refresh this contact list, and you're going to see yes, a new contact is created right over here successfully. And now you can see the details are added. Like I showed you in the starting of this video, now what is going to happen is whenever someone is going to purchase any product from your ThriveCart store, instantly the customer details will be added in your CRM. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Don't forget that we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, so go try it out today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.